chi gydol i Radio CAYB.
Radio CAYB.
Chi gydol i Radio CAYB.
Hello and welcome to week 26 of Radio CAYB.
This week we got a pretty chilled show for you this week. We're not doing some of our usual features. We're just going to play the music instead, aren't we, Ocean?
Yes, we are.
So this week we got a surprise on the radio show this week in Corey's section, haven't we, Ocean?
Yes, we are.
Because Corey's got with us this week. Also, we got our history section with Ocean. He's not going to be doing your usual birthdays today, no.
No.
And we got Max, the cameraman, and Peter with his sports updates. And also we got our interview for this week. This week is, our garage presenter, his name is Ethan Bonny. So Ethan Bonny's going to be on Radio CAYB with us this week.
And I hope you enjoyed the interview.
Okay, so we're going to begin off with the 60s classic now. And this is Hi Ho Silver Lining by Jeff Beck. We hope you enjoy.
You're everywhere and nowhere, baby. That's where you're at. Going down a bumpy hillside in your hippie hat, flying across the country and getting fat, saying everything is groovy when your tires are flat and it's hi-ho, silver lining, and away you go now, baby. I see your sun is shining, but I will make a fuss, though it's obvious. But life still goes on. I can't get used to living without you by my side. I don't want to live alone. Hey, God knows, got to make it my own. So baby, can't you see? I've got to break free. I've got to break free. I want to break free. Yeah. I want to break
Ti'n gadael I mi credu bo gyn ti ddim diddordeb. Wedyn cynnig cysur y cysur mwyaf glandag. Fethu si ymatab ma raid mod I yn ddwl. Ond roedd a ti di chwarae bo abacus fy meddwl. Ti'n gadael I mi greu y broblem no dda un. Wedyn cynnig atab dy atab di dy hun. Fedrai'm cael ymhen rownd y syman hygoel hon. Ti di chwalu'r abacus, abacus fy nghalon. Mae un ag un yn ddau a chdi a fod i'r heini. Dwi'n cyfri dim I chdi'r un od sydd ddim yn rhannu. Ond cerddais lawr y bryn rhwng rhannu fy mreddwydion yn tynnu gwallt fy mhen. Tynnu gwallt fy mhen a chyfri fy mendithion. Ti'n gadael I mi feddwl fod rhywbeth yn y gwynt. Ond gwn ymer fy esgyn fawr atab ddim yn hynt. Ti'n cynnig rhif dy ffôn fel mathemateg byr. A'r cwbl dwi angen di'r atab I fy nghyr. Ti'n gadael I mi fynd efo cysan ar fy moch. Di'r gawn I rhywbryd eto jyst dim yn canu cloch. Y batriaeth yn fflat yn y gyfrifiannell hon. Ti di chwalu'r abacus, abacus fy nghalon. Mae un ag un yn ddau a chdi a fod i'r heini. Dwi'n cyfri dim I chdi'r un od sydd ddim yn rhannu. Ond cerddais lawr y bryn o rhannu fy mreddwydion yn tynnu gwallt fy mhen. Tynnu gwallt fy mhen a chyfri fy mendithion. Un, dau, tri, mam yn dal y pipi wedi marw. Mam yn crio marw. Un, dau, tri, mam yn dal y pipi wedi marw. Mam yn crio marw. Un, dau, tri, mam yn dal y pipi wedi marw. Mam yn crio marw. Un, dau, tri, mam yn dal y pipi wedi marw. Mam yn crio marw. Mae un ag un yn ddau a chdi a fod i'r heini. Dwi'n cyfri dim I chdi'r un od sydd ddim yn rhannu. Ond cerddais lawr y bryn rhwng rhannu fy mreddwydion yn tynnu gwallt fy mhen. Tynnu gwallt fy mhen a chyfri fy mendithion. Un ag un yn ddau a chdi a fod i'r heini. Dwi'n cyfri dim I chdi'r un od sydd ddim yn rhannu. Ond cerddais lawr y bryn rhwng rhannu fy mreddwydion yn tynnu gwallt fy mhen. Tynnu gwallt fy mhen a chyfri fy mendithion.
This is the history. This is the history. we've got the history. By any chance that no one's going to be having birthdays on the seats today? No. You notice. So history is going to be from now on. Like, you know what we've done what with the Germany and stuff when I'm doing the birthdays? Well, exactly that, but a little different. So this week I'll be going to be talking about Poland. Guess why? Because there's history from Poland. Auschwitz, Birkenau. Oh yeah, and also I'll be going there in 2 weeks. So, guess who else going there? Islin. He's going to Poland. He's going to Krakow. He's going to Manchester, and he's going the same flight as me. Guess what? If you're going to sit by me, yeah? Oh my God. That's going to be very hilarious then, isn't it? I'm going to sit him all journey for 2 hours. Oh my God, no, I'm not doing that. Yeah, Auschwitz. But, and there's more on this video that I'm going to put on right now. Hope you enjoy the history about Auschwitz, Poland. And I'll see you after the Easter holidays. Happy Easter, everyone, and I'll see you after the Easter.
Hitler introduced laws that limited the freedoms of Jews. They were banned from going to public places like cinemas and shops and from travelling on public transport. When out in public, Jews were ordered to wear a yellow star, a Jewish religious symbol, so that they could be easily told apart from non-Jews. The Nazis told Germans that those wearing the star were enemies of the people. By 1938, Hitler had developed a more extreme policy, and the Nazis planned a night of violence against Jews called Kristallnacht. Attacks were made on shops and properties owned by Jewish people. Synagogues were burnt down, and some Jewish people were murdered. During World War II, Nazi Germany invaded and conquered much of Europe, which gave Hitler the chance to impose his racist plans on European Jews. Hitler ordered a rounding up of Jews, as well as other groups he hated, including gay people, Roma gypsies, and people with disabilities. They were arrested, sent from their homes, and imprisoned in concentration camps, where they were forced into slave labor in inhuman conditions. The deaths of millions were caused by starvation and disease. The Nazis designed everything so that concentration camps would be places of immense suffering. Inmates were faced with horrendous overcrowding and were made to share tiered wooden bunk beds. Up to 12 of them were crammed into each bunk, with hundreds of people in each room. Conditions were so dirty that infestations of rats were the norm. Washing and toilet facilities were limited or non-existent, so in these overcrowded, squalid conditions, disease spread easily amongst the prisoners. Hunger was an even greater problem. The Nazis fed inmates barely enough food to keep them alive. Meals would be a piece of bread or perhaps a watery soup made from vegetable peelings. Those fit enough to survive these conditions were forced into hard manual labor. Those not fit enough to work would be killed. Millions died because of the brutality of life in concentration camps. But the Nazis built other camps, known as extermination or death camps. In these, they deliberately murdered millions of people.
Let's do
will swing.
But I soon found out I didn't know what life was all about. But then I learned, I must confess, that life is like a game of chess. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the time that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the place that you do it. And that's what gets results.
You can try hard, don't mean a thing. Take it easy, and your jive will swing.
It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. And that's what gets results. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the way that you do it. And that's what gets results. It ain't what you do, it's the time that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the time that you do it. It ain't what you do, it's the time that you do it. And that's what gets results.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys. We're going from Chicago, Illinois to Seattle, Washington. Starting in Chicago, hop on Amtrak's Empire Builder to Seattle. Rewind back to 1947 and you're on the Milwaukee Road's Columbian, the second one that were from 1947 to 1955. Not to be confused with the 1911 to 1930 Columbian, which is similar but different. Using Pullman heavyweight coaches, hosting chair, catering facilities, observation, sleeper, RPO and lounge. Now on to Locus and Note. This one is going to be big. These locos had a wheel arrangement of 248 plus 842, or as I like to call it, a 6886, because the 2 and the 4s are like a 6-wheel truck. There are only 5 built. For context, they were originally numbered 10250 to 10254, later E1 to E5. They have bipolar motors, hence the nickname bipolars. They suffer from rebuilds by the Milwaukee shops, because the shop forces did a poor job on them, because no one in the Milwaukee shops know how to work on electric locomotives, and one of them survived, number E2. Now where were we? But today you didn't have the heavyweight Pullman cars of 1947, as you're on the Superliner or one of the new Venture cars. At Seattle, remember the slower, extra stopped version of the Olympian Hiawatha? The journey takes 46 hours and 24 minutes and costs £220, or £4.40 in 1947 money. The locus of note answer is the Milwaukee Road EP2 bipolars. Next up, we got Corey's feature. Before that, go see E2 at the National Museum of Transportation in St. Louis, Missouri. Or, if you're modelling the Columbian, get Lionel Tracer's 18-inch heavyweight Pullmans in 4 2-car packs, which will send you back $1,649.96 for all those. I did do the math myself of 3 times of $399.99 plus $449.99.
Okay, so thank you, Ethan, for goals this week.
Welcome.
And now we've got a little surprise for you coming up now. And this is our local artist. He's from Bringuran, and his name is Corey Smith. He's going to be playing his song, and we'll be playing his song now, and it's called Crazy Crazy. We hope you enjoy this. And here's a shout out for Corey Smith. And this is his song, and we hope you enjoy it.
I met a girl, she's so fine. She sent shivers down my spine. I think of her almost every day. She breaks my heart, hurts so bad. I've got nothing, makes me sad. I lose my mind, will she ever stay? Feelings go up or down, could not pick myself up now. Turns my head round and round, why oh why? Crazy, crazy oh why am I feeling so shy when she passes me by? When I'm trying to speak, my voice is just too weak. Might not see her next week. When I'm feeling high or low, I take my time, take it slow. Trying my best, too much in my head. All my feelings I can't share. Too tough to say, I don't care. My head is stuck, can't get out of bed. Feelings go up or down, could not pick myself up now. Turns my head round and round, why oh why? Crazy, crazy oh why am I feeling so shy when she passes me by? When I'm trying to speak, my voice is just too weak. Might not see her next week. Crazy, crazy, oh why am I feeling so shy when she passes me by? When I'm trying to speak, my voice is just too weak. Might not see her next week. Might not see her next week.
That was a good song, that wasn't it, boys?
Yeah.
Wasn't it? And thank you, Corey, for recording that, and we'd like to thank Missus for letting us play in it as well, yeah.
Yes.
And we'd like to say thank you to Corey and Missus for letting us play this song. And a big congratulations to Corey as well for doing that, yeah.
Yeah, well done, Corey Smith. You're really good.
You were so good, Corey. Okay, so moving on now, we got a bit of Benson Boone coming up now with Beautiful Things.
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please don't take. I found on my mind, I'm feeling sane. It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love, but I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need these beautiful things that I've got.
News from around the school.
Ethan won't be here for this week. News around the school, so I'll be doing it for him today. So the last song was Beautiful Things by Benson Bourne, Can't Die video. Mr. T is going to work in CAYB on Friday. Well, that makes a change. He's never in on Friday. Number second, I'm going on the bus to Bangor on Saturday. Well, starting to go to Bangor on my own, but not at the moment I'm doing that, but I'm going to start going to Bangor. So tomorrow, so Thursday, Dion, Dylan and Ethan and myself are going to Mourne FM tomorrow for a tour. Is that right, Dion?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Excited?
Yeah.
Same. Number 4 is there is youth club every Thursday. And number 5 is the last rugby session today on last Wednesday. So I hope you enjoyed News around the school, and I'm sorry that Ethan won't be here today with us, but I'll do it instead. The next song is going to be, I hope you enjoyed the News around school. The next song is Down Show by Fleur de Lis. Enjoy, and I'll see you after Easter holidays.
And a shout out to Race Heads as well, eh?
And a shout out for Mr. Edwards, Race Edwards, for everyone else. So, yeah.
And make sure to listen to Mourne FM between 5 and 7 on Fridays as well, yeah?
Yes, because it's very, very good.
Bellach dwi'n 20 oed, di tyfu mewn i'n rhoen, di blasu bed i byw, di teimlo bach o boen. Andw dwi dal yma, nid y cynta nac yr ola. Dwi'n cera mewn i tafs a dy just dim ryfedd ag oedd o'n dell na fideo. Bwyda fi drwy dy lygad nydwydd, bwyda fi fod yn hen fel newydd. Fi di'r un sy'n dysgu fi, atgoffa fi wenu a dal i weiddi. Dawsia, dawch yn nes dy fod y draed i rhydd. Ti yn bwyw ti a diwedd y dydd. Dawsia, dawch yn nes dy fod y draed i rhydd. Sa'n neb yn dy weld ti a diwedd y dydd. Gwranda paid rhoi bai ar y lle, nid y rhai ti'n cofio deitha fi. Dwi'n cofio deitha chdi, dwi'n gweld hi'n anodd coelio, ond yn haws fydd anghytuno. Ac ar ôl ystyried yr un yn sefyllfa o lle aeth yr ysfa am gwestiynau, buan y dwi'n ansylwi, do'n am rheswm i mi boeni. Hyd i'r un sy'n dysgu fi, atgoffa fi wenu a dal i weiddi. Dawsia,
dysgu fi, atgoffa fi, wenu a dalu wyddi. Dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed fi hyd. Ti yn bwylw ti, a ni weld y dydd. Dawsia, dawsia nes dy fod y draed fi hyd. Sa neb yn dy weld fi, a ni weld y dydd. Bellach dwi'n ugain oed i tyfu mewn i'n rhoen, di blasu beth i byw, di teimlo bach o boen. Dwi'n gwbl hwyliog, dwi'n gorfeddwl o hyd, cael ei drwbl, o fi'n feddwl na ond fi sy'n y beth.
They put a parking lot on a piece of land where the supermarket used to stand. Before that they put up a bowling alley on the site that used to be the local pally. That's where the big band used to come and play. My sister went there on a Saturday. Come dancing, all her boyfriends used to come and call. Why not come dancing? It's only natural. Another Saturday, another date. She would be ready, but she'd always make him wait in the hallway in anticipation. He didn't know the night would end up in frustration. He'd end up blowing all his wages for the week, all for a cuddle and a peck on the cheek. Come dancing, that's how they did it when I was just a kid. And when they said come dancing, my sister always did. Should have come in at midnight, and my mom would always sit up and wait. It always ended up in a big row when my sister used to get home late. Out of my window I could see them in the moonlight, two silhouettes saying goodnight by the garden gate. The day they knocked down the pally, my sister stood and cried. The day they knocked down the party, while my childhood died, just died. Now I'm grown up and playing in a band, and there's a car park where the pally used to stand. My sister's married and she lives on an estate. Her daughters go out, now it's her turn to wait. She knows they get away with things she never could, but if I asked her, I wonder if she would. Come dancing, come on sister, have yourself a ball. Don't be afraid to come dancing, it's only natural. And all your friends would come dancing while the big band used to play.
Was Come Dancing by the Kings. I hope you enjoyed that. It's one of my favourite songs. So now we've got the leaderboard. This week was a music artist. So I hope you enjoyed it. So number 9 for this week was Canolfan and they got 0 out of 15. Also, Canolfan got 0 out of 15. Oh well. Number 8 for this week is Cerdd, got 2 out of 15. Also, Mr. T got 2 out of 15. Number 7 for this week was Canolfan, they got 4 out of 15. Number 6 for this week is chreu'n, they got 6 out of 15. I hope you done it very well, I suppose. Number 5 for this week is Sioe. Also, they got 7 out of 15. Canolfan got the same. Canolfan got the same. And number 4 for this week is Canolfan, they got 8 out of 15. Canolfan also got Canolfan, well done. Number 4 for this week is Canolfan, they got 8 out of 15. Well done. So I hope you done that very well. Canolfan, they got 9 out of 15. Number 3. Number 2 for this week was Canolfan, they got 10 out of 15. Number 1 for this week is Canolfan, they got 13 out of 15. Well done. So the next song is You Got It by Roy Orbison. So I hope you enjoyed that leaderboard and the music artist quiz. And I'll see you after the Easter holidays. Goodbye.
Every time I look into your loving eyes, I see love that money just can't buy. One look from you, I drift away. I pray that you are here to stay. Anything you want, you got it. Anything you need, you got it. Anything at all, you got it, baby. Every time I hold you, I begin to understand. Everything about you tells me I'm your man. I live my life to be with you. No one can do the thing you do. Anything you want, you got it. Anything you need, you got it.
last song you just heard there was This Is Not America by David Bowie. So we had a little technical fault with sports news for this week, didn't we, Peter and Max?
Oh yeah.
So, to fill the gap, Max is here and he wants to tell you guys something.
Son, it's Master Day.
Okay, happy Thanksgiving. Have nice holiday.
Okay, so that was Danger Zone here on Radio CAYB by Kenny Loggins. Now we are moving on to our interview for this week. This week's special guest is Ethan Bonnie. Hello, hey Ethan, how are you today?
Good.
First question we got here for you today is, what is your favourite train?
Oh, to be honest, I had no idea. But if I were to go for the one from the States, I would say the Santa Fe Super Chief.
Cool, Ethan?
Yeah.
What do you do in your spare time, Ethan?
Oh, that's a tricky question. Presumably go and take a car and do some train stuff.
What train stuff would you do?
Either take along stuff or push along, or maybe some Trackmaster shells or tabletop railway stuff.
Ah.
What song are you learning on the piano with Jane?
Oh, lots of songs. That's going to be another tricky question.
What would be your favourite song you've learned so far?
I would say Walking in Winter Wonderland.
Okay, so when Chloe was off, yeah, Catherine was with you, wasn't she, Ethan?
Yeah.
So, Chloe's gone back and she's gone back with you, yeah, Ethan?
Yeah.
So, who is better, Chloe or Catherine? You've got to pick one.
Chloe.
Oh, we're going to tell Catherine about that, aren't we, also?
Yeah, we are.
Aren't we, Norm?
Yeah.
Tell Catherine. Okay, go on.
Yeah.
Have you got a plans for the holidays?
Oh, maybe going to Chester for my birthday.
What will you be doing in Chester, Ethan?
Shopping, having some lunch.
Oh, what lunch are you going to have?
Oh, maybe some cheese sandwiches.
Oh, what would be your favourite sandwich, Gone?
Ham sandwiches.
Oh, nice. What about you, Awesome?
I think I'm going to be doing jam and cheese, I think.
Oh, nice. I bet mine would be ham, cheese and pickle.
Nice.
Nice, yeah. What's your favourite sandwich, Ethan?
Often it would be cheese and cucumber, butter, peanut butter and jam, or PB&Js to Americans, and sausage, cheese and ketchup.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, yeah.
Okay, Ethan, tell me more about the P&J sandwich, please.
So basically, you got butter, a slice of bread, then butter, then peanut butter, and then jam, and then butter, and then another bread and butter on top.
Why do they call it P&J?
Because it's for peanut butter and jelly.
Oh.
I do not know that. Thank you, Ethan.
Thank you, Ethan. You make us learn something new today.
You're welcome.
With your whale map going, do you have any plan to make more?
Oh, I do. I'm planning on doing a German railway map in 1920, Japan's rail network in the 1970s, and possibly Canadian railways around, presumably the 1920s.
When are you going to do these maps, Ethan?
Possibly during right after the Easter holidays.
Nice.
What do you like doing in school, Ethan?
Oh, I like to help out with the radio show, going to the hub, working out at Cafe Drag, all sorts of stuff.
What type of things do you do in the hub, Ethan?
Trains. On the 3D printer.
Ah. Have you been doing for the past couple of weeks in the hub, Ethan?
I've been 3D printing some trains a lot recently, and I managed to do quite a few.
How have you been helping in Cafe Drag?
Yeah, I've been working on the tail, but often I might just go do my pianos on Fridays.
Oh, yes.
Have you been on holiday?
Oh, I would bring some clothes, some pajamas, the electronics, all sorts of stuff, and I would bring a train set on holiday.
I knew it.
I knew it.
You knew he was going to bring a train set.
Yeah. Yeah.
What about you, Don?
Yeah.
Our next question we got here for you, Ethan, is what would you do with £1 million?
Oh, I would probably get some MTH recreations of standard gauge trains from the pre-war period. Usually from 1900 to 1941.
Well, what else would you do with £1 million?
Possibly get some O-scale post-war stuff like, say, some Lionel Vision lines, Legacy, and MTH Premier stuff.
Yeah, what does MTH stand for?
Mike's Train House.
Ah. Okay, so we got a little extra question here for you today. Who, if you were on a deserted island, if the whole class were stuck, which student and country would you save?
Or staff.
Oh, staff.
Chloe.
Who else?
Mr. Williams, Leo, Max, Peter.
Is this a whole class you're picking?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
I would save a whole class too.
Yeah, okay. Would you go for the whole class, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whole class.
Which song do you want to finish off?
Oh, let's go with Ghost of the Rails by James Ryan Coffey, because it feels more New York Central.
Okay, so thank you, Ethan, for interviewing us today.
Thank you.
So we are going to finish off with Ghost of the Rails by James Coffey. So we'll see you after Easter. We hope you all enjoy your Easter holidays. And it's goodbye from me, Dion.
Bye.
Goodbye.
And it's thank you from Ethan for interviewing us this week here on Radio CAYB. And we'll see you for week 27 after the Easter holidays. Take care for now.
Timeless, they were built sleek and fast, streamlined for the future and fueled by the past. They were tall as iron giants, cloaked in their steel shrouds, like chariots from the future, arriving on misty clouds. New York Central, rail and machine, fire, smoke and steam. New York Central, ghosts of the rails. From New York to Chicago, traveling along the rails, you could smell the history in the air with each breath that you'd inhale. Like a noble knight of olden days with his armor and his shield, and 400,000 pounds of iron, chrome and steel. New York Central, rail and machine, fire, smoke and steam. New York Central, ghosts of the rails. With miles of cars behind them, faster than ever before, the 20th Century Limited and the majestic Commodore. I remember the mighty Mercury like it was yesterday, the train of tomorrow, dressed in gleaming gray. New York Central, rail and machine, fire, smoke and steam. New York Central, ghosts of the rails. New York Central, rail and machine, fire, smoke and steam. New York Central, ghosts of the rails.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Radio CAYB.